Welcome to this session of Learn and Teach Vedic Mathematics Initiation course. For proper appreciation of the Vedic systems, we have to initiate ourselves with the systems of Vedic mathematics steps of Ganita Sutras. Today we are having first step. This is a step to acquaint well with the text of Ganita Sutras. Learn and Teach Vedic Mathematics Initiation course as a step 1 takes us to the acquaintance with the text of Ganita Sutras. There are 16 sutras and 13 upsutras. It is the complete text of Vedic mathematics. This text of 16 sutras and 13 upsutras is in all a text of 283 letters of 16 sutras and 236 letters of Ganita Sutras. Means the complete text is a text of 519 letters in all. This short text can be memorized in no time. Of this text, the 6th sutra is having a within brackets the formulation anurupe. One, two, and 3 means 8 letters are within brackets. And here in the 10th upsutra, in 8th upsutra, there is a letter O. It is the first vowel, but it is in unmanifest form and it is marking its presence. The total letters are 519, of which these 8 letters are here in the bracket forms and it is in unmanifest form, but marks its presence. So the effective letters remain 512. Anyway, it is a one feature which is being pointed at the outset so that we can have a well acquaintance with this particular text. This text is a complete text, and this text as such becomes the prayer of Vedic mathematics. Therefore, each class shall begin with the Vedic mathematics prayer, which means the recitation with faith of this complete text. It recites as Eka Adhikena Purven Nikhlim Navasta Charmam Dashata Udharv Tiryag Bhyam Pravartya Yojet Shunyam Same Samuche Anurupe Shunye Anyatam Sankalan Vyakalana Bhyam Purana Apurana Bhyam Chalna Kalna Bhyam Yavdunam Vesti Samesti Sheshanken Charpen Sopanantyam Dvayamantyam Eka Nunen Purven Gunit Samuchya Gunak Samuchya. It completes the text of 16 sutras, and then Anurupen Shishyate Shesangya Aden Antyam Anten Kevale Saptkam Gunyat Veshtanam Yavdunam Tavduni Kritvargam Cha Yojet Antyor Dashke Api Antyorev Samuchya Gunita. Then it is Lopna Sthapna Bhyam Vilokanam Gunit Samuchya and Samuchya Gunita. It completes Ganita Upsutras. So it takes only this much time to recite it. One shall recite this initially with the help of the written text. Within few recitations, one will be having complete imprint of this entire text in one's memory. In other words, we will memorize this text of Ganita Sutras and Upasutras, this text of the range of 519 letters with recitation and having its complete imprint in one's memory. The written text as such will automatically get dispensed with. It is with the dispensing of this much written text would mean that the entire Vedic mathematics domain will become a mental mathematical domain. Mathematics of Ganita Sutras is designated as a mental mathematics. It is designated as a mental mathematics firstly as that the text is so small, text is so complete, the Vedic mathematical domain is integrated and composed in such a sequential form that it goes in the memory. The organization of the text, the sequential placements of its letters, the values attached with these letters are of such mathematical format which is parallel with the intelligence field of human mind. The human mind creates its intelligence field. The natural features of the intelligence field are formatted as the text of Ganita Sutras. As such, the mathematics of Ganita Sutras becomes the mathematics of intelligence field of a human mind. Young minds as well as the old mature minds are alike to be benefited by a chase of the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras in the sequence and order of the composition of this particular text. Therefore, as a step one, when we have to acquaint ourselves with the text of Ganita Sutras, we shall be acquainted with this particular text in its script form, which is a Devanagari Varnamala script. Therefore, a step prior to the step of acquaintance with the text of Ganita Sutras is the step, it is called a Euro step. The Euro step of the Vedic mathematics is to have complete acquaintance, full acquaintance with the Devanagari script of the letters composing Devanagari Varnamala. One shall take it that the initiation is to be with the Devanagari Varnamala itself. It is a Euro stage, it is a take-off stage. The take-off stage for the Vedic mathematics is to have acquaintance with the script form of these letters. These letters are 9 as a one group called vowels, then 5 cross 5, these are called Varga consonants, square consonants. Then there are quadruple Anthastha letters followed by quadruple Ushmana letters, and the ultimate stage is of Yama letters. Of these Yama letters, only 2, the first and the fifth, Anuswar and Visarga, are being availed. As such, when one is well acquainted with the script form of the letters of Devanagari alphabet, and as a first step when one is in a position to recite this particular text out of a memory. Therefore, as the initial step, let us write this table with our own hands so that our acquaintance with Devanagari alphabet letters is perfect. There should be perfect match with the script forms of the letters of this alphabet, Devanagari alphabet, and then there should be strict match of our memory with the text of Ganita Sutras and Ganita Upsutras. After this, the initiation of proceeding further for the mathematical domain will be that we have to proceed sutra wise. The first sutra is Eka Adhikain Purve. So this sutra as such is a composition of a pair of words. Now the first word is having 9 letters, second word is having 7 letters. Therefore, as a first step of learning, as a first step of initiation in the Vedic mathematical domain, we have to take sutras in the sequential order and placement in the text. The first sutra is Eka Adhikain Purve. Therefore, this formulation Eka Adhikain shall be sequentially changed letter-wise in the sequence and order in which these letters are appearing. The first letter is A, the 6th vowel. The second letter is Ka, the first consonant, first Varga consonant. The second letter, the third letter is elongated A. That means the first vowel is having its elongated form. It is called A. The fourth letter is Dha. It is having its placement in the fourth Varga row, and this letter is having placement here. Next is E. It is the second vowel. Then the next is again the first consonant. Then it is again the 6th vowel, followed by it is the last letter of this 4th row of Varga consonants, and again it is the 9th letter is going to be the first vowel. Like that, these 7 letters of second word formulation of the text of Ganita Sutras as well shall be changed sequentially in the order of their placement in the text of the word Purve. So the formulation Eka Adhikain as such is a composition of pair of words of 9 and 7 letters each, and these 9 and 7 letters have their sequential placements. Once we will be having this exercise for the chase of the text of Ganita Sutras, sutra-wise, word-wise, letter-wise placement in each word, and we will be having a reach from first letter O to the last letter Visarjaniya, means 519th letter. So first letter to this letter, those of us, those amongst us who will be having this beautiful imprint of this sequential order in their minds, that would mean they would be perfecting their intelligence field to be of the format parallel with the format of the text of Ganita Sutras of sequential range of first letter to its last 509th letter. All of us, everybody of us, anybody of us, whosoever amongst us wants to be parallel with the Vedic mathematics systems, Vedic mathematics processes, Vedic mathematics change steps, Vedic mathematics working rules, Vedic mathematical operations, Vedic mathematics reach, Vedic mathematics pure and applied values, Vedic mathematics going to the aid of the sciences, Vedic mathematics transiting and transforming as applied values of the technologies. Those who want to be of the order of the Vedic systems chase of the existence phenomenon of our universe within our frames as well as within the solar universe as it is renewing itself, and as it is transforming itself, those have to initiate themselves with the organization format features of the text of Ganita Sutras, which would mean in the organization of the first letter to the 509th letter of this particular text. As such, let us open a notebook and make a note that the 0 step, the initial steps, the start with for initiation in the Vedic mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras is that we shall be fully acquainted with the Devanagari script of Devanagari alphabet format. So Devanagari Varanamala is presumed to be acquainted with, presumed to be known, presumed to be friendly with us. Our acquaintance with the script form of the Devanagari and of the organization, sequential orders, classifications of the Devanagari alphabet letters is presumed for everyone who is trying that he shall have initiation of the Learn and Teach Vedic Mathematics course. After this presumption, the first learning step is, first initiation step is that we shall recite this text of Ganita Sutras and Ganita Upasutras from its first letter to its last letter in the sequence and order where these letters are composing word formulations and word formulations are making sutras and upasutras. This recitation of the text of Ganita Sutras and Upasutras as such be taken as the Vedic mathematics prayer. Each class of Vedic mathematics is to begin with the Vedic mathematics prayer, which would mean that we shall initiate our study, our course by having prayer. Vedic mathematics prayer means we shall recite with faith, we shall have the bliss of recitation of the text of Ganita Sutras and Upasutras. Once this text is fully, completely, exhaustively, authenticatically is imprinted in our memory, once this organization format of the sequential order of the letters of the text of Ganita Sutras and Upasutras is parallel with our memory format of the intelligence field, then we can say that we are in a position to have a takeoff for a flight of the order of the Vedas, to have exhaustive coverage as per the Vedic knowledge domain of the entire existence phenomenon of our universe, maybe within frames or without frames, including the existence phenomenon within our human body. The class shall also end with the Vedic mathematics prayer, means at the beginning as well as at the end of the class learning session, we shall recite the text of Ganita Sutras. Initially, we can recite it with the help of a written text in our hands, and subsequently we will be in a position to pray, to recite just out of a memory with eyes ever closed, as we are in a complete meditation in unison with the natural order. Let us now close this session and let us have a Vedic mathematics prayer. Ekadikena purven nikhlim navasta charmama dashata udharv tiryagabhyam pravartya yojet shunyam same samucche anurupe shunye anyatam sankalan vyakalnabhyam purnabhyam chalna kalnabhyam yavdunam व्यष्टि समष्टि शेषंकेन चर्मेन स्वपानंत्यम द्वयमंत्यम एक न्यूनेन पूर्वेण गुणितसमुच्चया गुणकसमुच्चया अनुरूपेण शिष्यते शेषसंज्ञा आदिमध्येन अन्त्यमन्तेन केवले सप्तकं गुणयात् वेष्टनं यावदूनं तावदूनं यावदूनं तावदून्यकृतं वर्गं च योजयेत् अन्त्योर्दशके अपि अन्त्योरेव समुच्चय गुणिता लोपना स्थापनाभ्यां विलोकनं गुणितसमुच्चया गुणकसमुच्चया। ओम नमः शिवाय।